Here's some Vietnamese boat people trivia. Subscribe? What term is used for Vietnamese refugees after the Vietnam War? Is it A, refugee nomads, B, freedom seekers, C, boat people, or D, asylum walkers? The correct answer is C, boat people. In which year did the fall of Saigon occur? Is it A, 1983, B, 1975, C, 1990, or D, 1967? The correct answer is B, 1975. What ocean did the refugees primarily cross? Is it A, Arctic Ocean, B, Pacific Ocean, C, Indian Ocean, or D, Atlantic Ocean? The correct answer is B, Pacific Ocean. What international agreement addressed the plight of these refugees? Is it A, 2005 Asylum Treaty, B, 1989 Comprehensive Plan of Action, C, Geneva Convention, or D, 1991 Refugee Pact? The correct answer is B, 1989 Comprehensive Plan of Action. Which country were many boat people fleeing? Is it A, Laos, B, Thailand, C, Cambodia, or D, Vietnam? The correct answer is Vietnam. What U.S. city had the largest resettlement of Vietnamese? Is it A, New Orleans, B, Miami, C, Los Angeles, or D, Seattle? The correct answer is A, New Orleans. Which country in Southeast Asia became a major transit point for refugees? Is it A, Myanmar, B, Laos, C, Thailand, or D, Vietnam? The correct answer is C, Thailand. Which famous singer is a child of boat people? Is it A, Justin Bieber, B, Taylor Swift, C, Madonna, or D, Kenny Nguyen? The correct answer is D, Kenny Nguyen. What was the estimated number of boat people who fled in the late 1970s? Is it A, 2 million, B, 1 million, C, 500,000, or D, 3 million? The correct answer is A, 2 million. What does Viet Kieu refer to in relation to Vietnamese? Is it A, historical figure, B, Vietnamese cuisine, C, overseas Vietnamese, or D, cultural festival? The correct answer is C, overseas Vietnamese. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.